Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to represent benefits of maize seeds on human health. Under the supervision of Dr. Muhammad Inamur Rahim, myself Samreen Iftikhar and my partner name is Faiza Rashid from MSc HND at UAF. Health benefits of eating corn and its daily consumption. Maize is a versatile cereal grain enjoyed globally in the various forms including sweet corn, popcorn and cornmeal. Let me tell you about nutritional facts of sweet corn. It contains bundle of nutrients and minerals. It gives us 96 calories per 100 gram, equals to 1.5 cups a week. Do you know how maize helps to boost our body? It is rich in fibers, low in fats, and packed with nutrients. मकई हमारे लिए क्या है, इसके हैरत अंगेज फवाइद जानिए। हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स ऑफ कॉर्न। इससे हम रोटी बना सकते हैं, खाने में थिकनेस के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं, स्नैक्स में ऐड कर सकते हैं और हम इसको एज ए कम्प्लीट मील भी रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं। Corn is high in amylose 2 to 4 grams resistant starch having property to alter microbial growth and lowering cholesterol, promoting digestion, which help to reduce the risk of colon cancer, type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, and constipation. Specific for diabetic patients, it is necessary to control their portion size to consume corn. Corn is a good source of complex carbs, provides sustained energy which is good for heart and weight management. It also contains essential vitamin minerals including vitamin C, magnesium and B complexes which helps to prevent from beriberi, pellagra and cognitive decline and any type of anemia. It also contains lutein and zeaxanthin which reduces the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. It is also good for thyroid gland and immune function. Vitamin A, C, if taken with beta carotene and selenium, and reduces the risk of infection, hypothyroidism, scurvy, and vein problems. Potassium is one of the major sources, about 286 mg present in maize, having diuretic properties. It helps to prevent from edema, hypertension, and kidney stone risk. It is also good for uric acid patients. Due to dietary fiber, it absorbs into gut and excreted easily from body. Glycemic index of corn depends upon the preparation method. Boiled whole corn have GI 37, as refined corn has high GI 70 to 80. Here are some budget-friendly ways to include maize in your meals, which are delicious in taste and healthy to eat. Boiled corn, makai ki roti, corn salad, and corn soup. Yummy recipe. Recipe number 1. Corn cheese pasta. It gives 264 to 800 calories per serving. Recipe number 2. Corn soup. It gives 499 calories per serving. Recipe number 3. Corn salad. It gives 478 calories per serving. Recipe number 4. Corn blend flour. 6-inch chapati gives 250 calories. Recipe number 5. Healthy snack enjoyed by children. It gives 375 calories per 100 grams. Prepared by airport method is equals to 3 cups. Tips to consume healthy maize. Mind the portion size. Combine with protein to consume. Choose to consume whole corn. If you are diabetic, monitor blood sugar levels. Time to tackle disease. With regular use, it reduces medications in 3 months from 9.8% to 6.8%. Thank you for your listening. I hope you will like it. For watching such more interesting videos, press the bell icon and subscribe AM Info.